Alright, this is in low light, guys. And then we're just gonna go ahead and see if we can track. Alright. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go. Even a Tello drone can follow me here. Look at that. Wow. See these guys? And of course you got a Wi-Fi interference in this area here. But Tello's still tracking me. Wow. When is the Tello 2 coming out? If DJI come up with this bigger, a little bit bigger size with a Tello, or the same size with a longer flight time, all right, maybe like 20 or 30 minutes, and then it has all this feature, 1080p with stabilized footage that can actually track you, and you don't even have to bring your $1,000 drone in this area. You see that? That's amazing. Look at this. A Ryze Tello is following me in this indoor garage. I mean, look at it. I can go here. I don't have to worry about it. If this thing hit, I don't have to worry about it because I know when it crashes, it ain't gonna break. Look at this. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it there. I'm gonna go a little bit far away for a little bit, and I'm gonna have it. I'm sorry. Okay, I went too far. Okay, oops. Alright, I'm gonna have it about right here, and then I'm gonna go back, and then it's tracking me. Okay. Look at this. I have front footage of me. Look at this. I don't even have to control the Tello anymore. Look at what it can do. And then if it does go up a little bit, it does lost me a little bit, and then you can stop it right there, and then you can just go forward. And then if you want to, I got a low battery here. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have it right there, and then it's gonna follow me. Wow. And it follows me. And then if I go back this way, look at this. And then of course, you know, all you gotta do is make sure if you see it and you just press stop, and it's automatically stop, and it's not gonna hit no object. Look at this. And then I can have it right here. You know, I can do like a spotlight. Let me do a spotlight. I'm gonna do like a little spotlight. Okay, I'm just gonna go circles, Here you go. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the circles here. And then now it's tracking me. And what the drone's gonna do is just gonna hover in there. You're just gonna hover in there, and then you can go around it. You can do your quick footage. What? And of course I'm far away, but it still tracked me. And I'm gonna go ahead and see. I have a low battery. Oh, it's still tracking. Let me see if I can pass that. What? It's just like the DJI here too. I got low battery now. I'm gonna go down. That's amazing. And I'm just gonna go and land. See this, guys? Amazing. Wow.